Welcome to ToyStack. So today we'll be deploying Vue.js application on ToyStack platform. So this is my code running locally and I have pushed it to the GitHub and this is the output. So yeah, let's deploy this application on ToyStack platform. So get started. Log in with GitHub. So I'm going to choose my account. So you're going to click on import and activate repositories. Alright, so you're just going to the configure. You're just making sure all the repositories are in sync or choose any selected repository. So once you click on save, just you can see your code is visible over here. Just click on import. So you're going to go on framework preset and choose Vue as your framework, right? And other build and output settings are by default there. If you want to make any changes, you can do it over here. So just click on save changes. If you have not giving anything, you can just close it simply and choose the plan of your choice. Proceed with payment and activation. Pay now and activate. Go to the repository dashboard. Just going to click on deploy from branch, master and deployment validity. So you can view your build logs over here. So it hardly took a few seconds, so pretty fast, right? So just go to the overview tab and this is the deployment link. And yeah, this is what we were expecting. So this is my local host code running and this is the one which I have deployed. So yeah, your Vue application is deployed successfully on ToyStack.